So before the topics today, please follow our social media for more information.
Yeah, to know us more. And also, we have prepared big discounts during the Canada Fair live broadcast time. You will get 10% off from
10%.
From June 15th to June 25th. And also, the order amount is over $20,000, and the product just reach our basic MOQ is enough. And also, you can get 6% off.
6%.
Yeah, the deposit can be arranged from June 26th to July 5th. It's a very big promotion, so please come to us.
Come to buy it.
Yes, and also in the past few days in our Canada Fair live broadcast, we have introduced to you about our company, and also we have cooperated with many reputed brands like G20 in Hangzhou City and the Hyatt Hotel, Sheraton Hotel, and Marriott Hotels, and so on.
So today we will introduce a project in Maldives.
Yes, this project we cooperated with a very famous lighting design. You know what?
Which one?
Called Lightable. It's from
Lightable?
Yeah, very famous.
Very famous.
Yes, and in recent years they've got a lot of awards for the lighting design.
This is the summer and the weather is getting very hot in China.
Yeah,
Serena.
yes.
Usually every July I have a plan to go for vacation for relax from the boring work.
Good.
I really would like to free myself with my family and no one could disturb me. Serena, do you have any suggestion?
Yeah, I got one location I will recommend you to go, which I think is the best place. And also people will call it like paradise, and it's called a pearl in the ocean. And the last paradise on the earth of humans. Most people will describe like this. So,
Maldives?
yeah, and also we have successfully participated in one of the top projects there.
Tell me more about details.
Yeah, okay, let's go ahead now. We have completed some project in Maldives, but if you ask me which is the most unforgettable one, the most special and most luxury one, I have to say that is St. Regis Hotel in Warmly, Ireland. Because it got the greatest view and heart-attacking feature of the experience of stay as well.
Wow, we are just like in the tourist channel.
Yeah.
Cannot wait to see into your introduction about the Maldives.
Yes, let's now begin. The St. Regis Hotel is located in the Warmly Ireland, and also it's at the south of Maldives, about 100 miles from the main island. And this is a super 6-star hotel.
6-star hotel.
Yes, with 77 villas and all luxury facilities such as all-day dining, the bar, and sunset bar, all waiting for the customers to discover it.
Wow, just look at this picture. The ocean water surrounding the island.
Yeah.
I can't express just by a word for the breathtaking view.
I remember, one of the richest men in China, booked all the rooms and held his birthday party just at the period of opening this hotel.
Wow.
See, our project is once again shown in the media.
That was really crazy.
Yeah, calm down, Andy. It's just the beginning. So the most amazing thing should attract you must be the villa that's built on the sea level. Yeah, they just like some floating wooden boats on the water and offer clients the cute experience with full nature elements.
Yes, Huayilighting has done the effort of supplying the architectural lights around the whole project.
Yeah.
And unique thing unlike others, the concept of lighting is warm and natural. That makes the guests feel relaxed and comfortable.
Yeah. And look at the wooden villa inside now. What you see is the complete interior decoration. I feel so proud to get involved in the project and make it perfect. Yeah. And all architectural lights here should be 2700 Kelvin, and all the chips we use CRI more than lighting is high efficiency.
Wow.
Yeah, and 2000 Kelvin is more warmer than the 3000 Kelvin one. I think client has a very special reason to choose this color temperature, right?
Why they choose 2700 Kelvin?
Maybe let me tell you. Think about this is the wood elements, I mean the decoration inside, right? So the 2700 Kelvin color can make the whole atmosphere warmer. And 2700 offer a relaxed environment compared to what you do during daytime.
Right.
Like you are diving, swimming, and so on. So this color can turn your mood from the ocean blue to a very warmer effect.
Well, and we have also applied the honeycomb louver, which is widely used for most of the models to match the furniture and the design of ID.
Yeah, exactly. So
Let us now have a look at the furniture. Vanity counter, mirror, wardrobe, luggage rack.
Yeah.
They were also lightened up by our AD strip light. Are those lights also provided by us?
you are quite right. Before the production period, our engineer was deeply coordinated with furniture supplier and engineer at site directly. So lighting is not only working individually, they have to match the other parts as well. So here we have an example. The lens and the cutout hole should be 100% matched with each other. So it can't be accident or result of failure during the installation.
I see. Like the exposed light source should not show any dark shadow at the end.
Yeah.
And mirror surroundings should show smooth light, even corners are there.
Yes.
Thanks for our engineer who has done a great job.
Yeah.
They are professional troubleshooters.
Yeah, we have professional engineering team.
Not just that, I heard there were other issues and difficulty with roof. That light can be installed due to the structure of roof. As the roof is triangle design
Yes.
without false ceiling. How can we solve this, Serena?
Yes, that is related to the entire villa then. Because in this situation, we have to give our solution to the client. Well, luckily we have different types of lighting. Like we introduced before, we have more than 30,000 types of different products for our clients to choose. So, if the recessed lights are not okay for this roof, we can consider to use something surface mounted or track mounted. So, these track mounting lights were the major luminaire to light up the roof, and it can give the whole villa very special and elegant atmosphere.
So, what is the difficulty to achieve that?
See, maybe there you can watch our screen. There's a position would not allow any standard light, like we talked the spotlight or surface mounted downlight to mount on it. So our engineer has figured it out and provides a good solution with a custom-made metal part, which is adjustable to lock on the metal pipe.
I see.
Yeah, so the light features could be fixed properly and turned to the correct position.
Great! I'm happy we can solve the problem.
Yeah.
Like in our company introduction, it's always important to give a proper solution on the product, either using existing items
Yes.
or modify them into a suitable solution. This is R&D capability, and it helps us to fulfill the project requirements always.
Yes, although the product is okay sometimes, but we still need to consider some other factors which might affect our light effect also. Now let's look at the screen. We have supplied the wall washer for the short wall here. But at the per of the client, a louver is required to be replaced after above the lights. They consider to hide lights.
I see.
Yes, some clients will also insist on this. So we always said the mock-up is important as our the production process, because in this kind of situation, better we can provide samples to our client so they can test it directly at site.
So, see what products we use in this project for the other area.
Yeah, sure. Only the track light we talked before. We also have spotlights, in-ground lights, wall lights, underwater lights, and also seamless wall washers. Yeah, I think my colleague has explained about the seamless wall washer lights in the other show. Maybe you can check our playback, then you will get a lot of surprising.
Yes, we have also brought some samples here to show our clients.
Yeah, maybe later. And Andy, you know, besides the products, what is also important in your project?
I see there is an electric box here.
Yeah.
You see? Inside you show many switch control. What are they used for?
Good question. You know, this is the lighting control. Andy, I believe you often hear about dimmable from our client, right?
Ah, yes. Very often we can hear about like triac dimmable,
Yes.
mains dimmable, dolly dimmable, and so on.
Yes.
Could you introduce something for us?
Yes, sure. It's my pleasure. Some projects, they have the system, right?
Yes.
And basically, the lights should be matched with the system. This is a very basic one. But eventually, when it comes to the lightings, it is dimmable or not, or color changing or not. Dimmable, we have track dimmable, 0 to 10 dimmable, or dolly dimmable. This dimmable function will be realized by using the relative drivers. While track dimmable is the most simple way for dimming the items by changing the voltage. And dolly dimmable is the powerful one which can control the whole building's light by using the signal system. And for outdoor lighting, we can change we need DMX system, which you can offer to other shows. And our colleague is playing the facade lightings in different projects before.
Thank you, Serena. My God, look at this.
Yes.
This architecture is so special. What is this place?
Yes, and now we can have a look for the public areas. This is the sunset bar. I think it should be the best place for viewing the whole view of the ocean.
Yes, so amazing.
Yes, the concept is it is built toward the direction of sunset. Just imagine, you are having a drink at the sunset time and enjoy the sunset light. And then light begin and listen to the wave. You will really feel that you are out of the noisy city and the whole world are yours.
I'm really envious that you can go to there.
Yeah.
Even not for traveling, but working. Such a special experience.
Well, I have to say, I really enjoy the working time there as well. So, can you see the scene?
Yes. Is that a lighting as well?
Yes. See the design. It is not a direct lighting. The beautiful design really enhances an atmosphere with its indirect light.
Here is also the sunset bar, the corridor. We use the strip light on the both of the ceiling core and under the steps. The slinger effect is very cool.
Well, guess what, Andy? You know, in the lighting design, we consider that the linear pattern has a very basic function to guide the direction. So here you don't need to use any sign. The client will know which way I should go.
The strip light should be also IP68, I guess. Because the sea breeze and the air will go through the corridor from the ocean.
Normally in this kind of area, we can select IP65 or IP67, which will be enough. But yes, you are right. We use higher grade as the client's request to ensure the function.
Wow, here must be the wooden pathway outside the wooden lay villas. All pathways connect the villa are built above the sea level, and there is no any fence.
Yeah.
So the linear light function is guiding during the light. Well notice not step outside the light as you might fall into the sea.
Yes, so we consider to use a Leon flexible strip light here. See what we have proposed and the feedback from the designer on the screen.
There is also the challenge here for the lamp. You know, due to the neon light is using low voltage power for safety reasons, how to connect them is also needed to be considered.
Yeah.
To avoid the voltage drop, every 20 meters, we use a driver with a waterproof box.
Yeah.
And it's functional control by dimming system and dim according to the time of the day.
Yeah, this is very essential. And also you can see lots of green on this island. So something to brighten them up is also important, right? Yeah, and also we supply the spike light and also some smaller sizes floodlight to them.
So Serena, what materials are these lights?
For all this light we supply here, if we can use the highest grade stainless steel, then we use it, like the underwater lights. And the others we use die casting aluminum with special anti-corrosion powder coating. Yeah, and also all the screws are stainless steel as well. You know, best product for the best project.
Here is the bar counter in the all-day night dyeing. We use high-intensity strip light to make it bright.
Yeah.
And the surrounding area's brightness is not so high.
I saw another similar bar counter in other projects as well. So project has the same effect. This can create very good effect for the atmosphere.
Good appetite.
Yeah. Wow, look Andy, this one, it makes me amazing, you know. The texture of the wall has been clearly displayed.
Yes, the lighting effect is evenly by using our wall washer light. There's no gap between two fixtures.
Wow, very fabulous.
Very good.
Yeah. And also we use a lot of spike lights, just we mentioned before, to bright the sea places and also the trees. But one thing is very important. We can't use low voltage items as there is no place for the device box. So we also supply waterproof box to hide the driver.
It's easier for the workers to connect the wires.
Yes, and also it's more good for extending the lifespan. And also for the wooden cases under the water. We have a very special idea because he wants to light up the bottom of the wooden villa. Imagine our light just installed above the sea level.
How can we achieve this?
Okay, good question. So we always have the capability to modify the product to be suitable for our client's special requirement. Like this one, we have some different kinds of brackets to over the pole to install that.
We always have the capability to modify the product to be suitable for our client's special requirement.
Yes, it's true, especially in projects. So you can see our specialists in the project. So if you have any inquiry, just come to us. We can help you to solve the problem and give you the complete set lighting solution.
You're right, Serena. So today our topic is that's all.
Yeah, just gonna to finish, but I have to mention again, we have big discount during the fair time. We will provide 10% off.
10%?
From July 15th to July 25th. And the order amount is over $20,000. And the product just reached our basic MOQ. And if the deposit can be arranged from June 26th to July 5th, you can also get 6% off. Yes. So follow us and follow our social media. You can get more information. So that's all for today. Bye bye.
See you guys. Bye.
Bye bye.
Hello, this is Albert.
Hello, this is Serena. Welcome to our live broadcast today. Today we're going to show you something very special because in the last few days in our Canton Fair live broadcast, we have shared with you some projects what we have done before and also some facade and landscaping lighting projects and items. Yeah. Today, so Albert.
Yeah, so we can see some physical samples here.
Wow,
So
fantastic.
Serena, shall we go now?
Yes, let's go our showroom right now.
Okay.
And this is the outdoor showroom area. And first we can see this is the RGB Neon flexible strip light, which we have mentioned before in different projects. And now we display here is the RGB effect one. And the IP rating for this item, we have IP65, IP67, and also IP68 for the underwater. So you can see it's very flexible and can be used in different applications. And even for the outdoor facade, we can use this eye to light up like a linear effect. Very good, fantastic view.
Okay, so please come to here. What you see here is the wall washer. We already create a scene for you. So now you can see it's color changing by the DMX control system. So this is very suitable for the elevation illumination. So you can create many possibilities for the walls.
By a program.
Okay.
And let's come to our outdoor wall light area.
Yeah.
See here, you may think that, wow, I can check from air market very many applicable for these items, but you can see our difference. We have the up and down light and also up or down type. And even in this kind of small figure one, we have IP65, so don't worry about this. And it is very good for some smaller spaces. And moreover, except for this kind of standard ones, we also have this kind of unique ones, which you can choose for your projects to make different lighting effects. It's very fancy.
Wow, we have so many types of wall lights here.
Yes, so which one you will choose?
I like this one. It's like a moon.
How about me?
What's
I
your
want
choice?
it all.
You want it all?
Yeah.
Okay. So please come here. Serena, we have a very special type of the outdoor lighting, which we call industrial lightings.
Yes.
So we also have the lights pole head here.
Yeah.
For the for street lights.
Yeah.
And also the high bay lights here. Actually, we have more options on the high bay lights.
Wow.
So you can see our catalogs and discover more.
Yeah.
And these lights are for like warehouse, park, or stadium. So they are very good choice.
Yes, it's very high power for this space.
Yes.
Yeah, high ceiling one. And now let's come to our garden light area. See? It's very many styles here for a station, right?
This is such a beautiful garden.
Yeah, a fancy garden, really. So that you can choose any of the one you want to make your garden beautiful and nice and attractive. Yeah.
We see so many bullets here, different bullets, they have different light effects on the ground.
Good. And also the material here we use for the outdoor garden light, we use die casting aluminum, which is also IP65 rated. Even in a long time, as the time went by, the strength of the material.
Good
strong.
quality.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow, see what I've noticed. It's a unique wall light.
Yeah, very unique.
Yeah.
So each single lights they have a standard light spot, but when you combine them together,
wow. So
it's like you can DIY yourself for the lights pattern. Very
so
good.
the clients can, according to their habits and their favorites, to DIY into different shapes.
Yeah, you can buy 10 pieces, 20 pieces to make whatever you want.
Wow, good.
Yeah.
And also we have some smaller power on sizes far light here. And the accessories we can also provide spike.
I think they are very good for small bushes.
Yes, small bushes, 1 or 2 meters high like this.
See, our bullets here, they even have like a family
Yeah.
combination. So you can have different heights. But when they come together, it really gives you a very special feeling.
Yeah, really.
Yes.
Just like a family, they have parents and also their son or daughters.
Oh, they are united together.
Yes, like this is a 4 people family.
Okay, so come to this wall. It's wall lights again. But normally we use or we see on the market is something like this. This we also have. But this year we developed something like this.
Wow, it's decoration.
Yeah, this bucket we designed for more, decorative elements in it. So you cannot only use them for outdoor
Yes,
environment,
also
right?
use in the indoor.
Yes.
Because make me feel comfortable by using this, and also it's attractive.
In the balcony?
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah, I think I can because the lighting effect also. I think the power is enough for that area.
Good, good. So let's come to here.
I want to take a photo here.
Oh.
Also there. Because it's so now many clients choose the lighting not only for lighting up the space, but also make people attractive, and people will be like to take photos here and send to more people, so that they can recognize, wow, that is that place by this photo. So it's very, I think, attractive.
You just like a light model
Let me
under
take-
the lights.
Yes, it's a landmark. The lighting.
Landmark.
Yeah. Oh, also this. So not only the main light, also we have some additional LED strip light here.
I think this can be taller, right?
Yes, the nest can be taller than
You
this.
see. I'm same tall as this one.
Yes, but I think it can be lower or taller. Yeah.
Okay, so now we can look at this wall.
Wow.
This is another we call DIY lights, right? So we can use a single model, but multiple pieces, multiple quantity to make the whole wall brighter.
Wow.
Know what, Serena? This can be adjustable, right?
Yeah. Wow. So the beam angle can be adjusted.
Yes. So use a wall, create what you want. You're just like an artist.
Yes, I'm the designer and I'm the artist.
Great. Serena,
Wow.
please introduce these parts for us.
Wow, see, we have many kinds of outdoor wall washer light for the facade. And see, here we also have different dimensions in different lengths and also different optical lengths. Also, for functioning well, we also have this kind of anti-glare cap to make the effect more evening.
We have, introduced a lot the wall washer in our broadcast.
Yes, but here you can have a real view of that to
Great.
see the quality. And also we have this kind. It's a PMMA diffuser.
Yeah.
It's more cost-effective proposal.
The last product is you can look at this area. We put some floodlights
Floodlight,
here.
yeah.
Actually, we also have introduced these kind of models in our broadcast.
So that's the introduction of our outdoor lighting showroom today.
I hope you like it.
Yes, if you want to know more information, you can contact with us for the catalog, or we can also guide you a VR view.
Wow. Okay. High tech.
Every details.
Okay. So Serena, see you today.
So see you.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Hello, this is Andy from huayilights.
Hello everyone, this is Serena from huayilights.
So before the topics today, please follow our social media for more information.
Yeah, to know us more. And also we have prepared big discounts during the Canon Fair live broadcast time. You will get 10% off from
10%.
From June 15th to June 25th. And also the order amount is over $20,000 US, and the product just reach our basic MOQ is enough. And also you can get 6% off.
6%.
Yeah, the deposit can be arranged from June 26th to July 5th. It's a very big promotion, so please come to us.
Come to buy it.
Yes, and also in the past few days in our Canada Fair live broadcast, we have introduced to you about our company, and also we have cooperated with many